Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is my weekly grocery haul and meal plan for you. As a reminder, you can find the meal plan on Instagram, same name, Melinda's Messy Sink. So, wanted to give an update about our no eating out challenge and our low spend. Low spend at the grocery store, we're still doing pretty good with that. We did fall off the wagon and we did eat out. So you know how I am with you guys, I'm fully transparent. We did not go the full month without eating out. We've got one more week to go, so I'm hoping that we can stay strong for another month, and then I'll still have a tremendous difference because we only ate out once. I'm so excited to share those numbers for you on the money that we saved eating out at the end of January. We'll start our grocery haul here. Some Kettle Mesquite barbecue potato chips, some Frito chili cheese, my dog, of course, some super sub buns from Aunt Millie's, sour cream, provolone slices, sharp cheddar shredded cheese, 2 cans of vegetable beef, tomato juice, 2 cans of sliced mushrooms, 2 cans of sliced olives, a can of pork and beans, some English muffins, celery, mandarin oranges, and these are ruby red blood oranges, green peppers, green onions, beefsteak tomatoes, bananas, lettuce, ambrosia apples, frozen broccoli florets. I got 2 of these pre-chopped Miracle blends. That's the carrots, celery, and onions. I got 2 of those that'll go in my freezer. I got this frozen pizza from Aldi's. Fallon at Moss Family TV has been raving about how good these are. So I actually went into Aldi's to try to find some biscuits. Today, y'all, I have been to Kroger's, Meijer, Walmart, and Aldi's. No biscuits anywhere. 2 of the 6-pack of Gold Peak sweet tea. I was able to find frozen Grand biscuits, so I went ahead and bought some of those just to make sure that we had biscuits. I bought some shrimp from Aldi's, pepperoni, apple juice, ham and turkey, bacon, 2 packages of smoked sausage, ding dongs, a large package of Nutty Buddies, no pulp, orange juice, and 2% milk. And that's a wrap on today's grocery haul. And as a reminder, you can find the weekly meal plan over on Instagram. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you all in the next one.